Hey, this is Dan again with GetTheSmokeOut.com. In this video we're going to talk about bingo hall smoke eaters. Again, if you've watched any of our other videos, it really is a matter of size of the space versus the amount of smoke, and then you just need to hit it with enough power to get the job done. Biggest problem with bingo halls is that they're typically huge. 2, 3, 5,000 square feet of space, oftentimes with very high ceilings. And what that generally means is you've got an awful huge amount of space to filter the air. The other problem is bingo parlors tend to have a pretty high concentration of smokers. And it really creates a problem for the staff and the non-smokers in the bingo hall. Another big problem is you may have a smoking section and a non-smoking section, and there's absolutely nothing separating those two spaces. So the smoke's going to drift wherever it wants to go. So my biggest recommendation is treat the entire space, unless you've literally got it partitioned with a wall and you just have your PA system for calling the bingo numbers going into both spaces. Unless it's partitioned, you really have to treat the whole space, smoking side and non-smoking side, because just putting smoke eaters on the smoking side is not going to create enough suction to stop it from drifting into other places. You also have your heating and cooling system that you have to contend with. By design, it's supposed to recirculate the air through the heating and cooling system and pump it out through the rest of the space. So smoke can absolutely get drawn into the heating and cooling system and be blown everywhere, even if you got a couple of smoke eaters in the smoking section. So again, deal with the whole thing. My recommendation is get in touch with us. Talk to us about the size of the space, square footage, ceiling height, ceiling type, and if you've got a drop ceiling, how much space you've got above the drop. With that information, we can put a recommendation together for you. And I hope to see your quote request or get a call from you, and we'll talk to you real soon. Thanks.